So after reviewing the some of my notes on the Wyckoff method, I've decided to update my definition of an A grade setup. And from this point, what I'm looking for is a major sign of strength in phase C. Phase C being the point at which, let's say, in accumulation, the market tests or moves out of the trading range to the downside. You could also say that it is also the point at which the market leaves the trading range to the upside on accumulation if we get a major sign of strength. But the most important thing to look for in phase C is the major sign of strength. And from that point, the trading, we can say that we have a change of character in phase C, which is the valid signal that we need for a to take a position. There's also I'd also like to add the concept of the I don't know how to say the point of no return or the relook up what that concept actually is. The essentially it is something like a point of no return. Basically, when the trend, when there is so much, let's say, strength in an uptrend, that the bias is known and it is safe to take a directional position. And there are a few of my trades, if I go back through my videos, that I can see that I've executed trades on, let's call it the point of no return. All right, so here we have 3 secondary tests. I'll just pause this for a moment. We've got a sign of strength here, sign of strength rally, another backing up action, sign of strength. So that's not really actually, yes, it is a backing up action to this automatic reaction. This is a major sign of strength that we have here. So that major sign of strength obviously appears in phase B. It would have been possible here and completely valid to take a breakout trade, considering, let me just take another quick look at this. Trading view is a little bit buggy when I've got so many applications running. Yeah, okay, so it could have this section here, a test of essentially a spring of a spring could be after at least automatic reaction, secondary, automatic rally, sorry, buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test. Yeah, we could call this, I mean, it's possible to call this a secondary test of the selling climax. Definitely, this is where the most volume occurs. So it is a type of testing action, not a secondary test here. Definitely this time of the buying of the selling climax, definite sign of strength. We're trading in the top half of the trading range, which is which shows strength. I wouldn't call it a sign of strength as such. We get this little bit of a seller followed by an immediate sign of strength rally, which is confirmed by the minor pullback, creating the last point of support. and we have a breakout here on into the low volume area. So essentially an entry could have been looked at here. Would have been completely fine with a 1-to-4 risk reward. Using my old strategy, but you know, it would be hard to, yeah. I don't think in the FX market, I don't think I could have considered this a major sign of strength in phase C. So at one point I would have taken this trade, but at this stage, I would leave a trade like this out of the equation. So if this area of market action or price pulls back into the trading range or a test to the top of the trading range, we can definitely call this a major sign of strength and look for an entry as we are now essentially any pullback could be considered, if there is one, to be a phase C pullback. And we do get a pullback. Continues down. Break past the last point of support. We're going to buy that as a spring. Buy again here as a position to add. We've got that many signs of strength at this point that there is simply no need to reduce the risk. Last point of supply, last point of supplies. Any breakout here is a definite confirmation of another major sign of strength. And there we go. There's a signal. Perfect entry would have been here. Could have considered that a point of no return. So strategically speaking, yeah, I would have to say the okay. So all right. So here we've got a major sign of strength in phase B, but here is a major sign of strength in phase C, and this major sign of strength in phase C is exactly what a grade setup looks like. So major signs of strength in phase B, major sign of strength in phase C. There was almost a major sign of strength in phase A as well. So lots of sign of strength in this particular trading range. We did get 3 secondary tests come back. Lots of last points of supply. Altogether a really strong range. If we go out and look at what this looks like, you can see that this is some type of a reversal. We are in a we're in like a broader reaccumulation trading range. There is so much strength in this particular area that you would expect that it would break the top of this trading range and continue to travel northbound. So let's see what happens. any test of this area, you'd want to take a long or establish a long position. This area here is perfect, a perfect continuation area according to my strategy. You've got these multiple 4-hour SMA retests, which are also valid areas to take long positions according to my methodology. So yeah, that was pretty cool. What I'd like to do is just quickly do a zoom into these reaccumulation trading ranges that test the 4-hour SMA. See what they look like on the 15-minute chart.